Hi, let me introduce the software of Wenxiang Smart Blackboard. It supports 5-finger turn on and turn off screen. After turn off screen, users can use chalks to write. And 5-finger press the screen to light up. Now, I will show you the Wenxiang toolbox. We call it Biboxiang. There is an assisted ball on the screen. Then click the half screen. It can satisfy different height use. It provides convenience for users when they cannot touch the files, and click it again to restore. And when users cannot click the Biboxiang directly, users can use 3-finger to call. Choose the annotation. It can meet the daily needs of teachers. The color and thickness of the handwriting is available, and the annotation can be saved. Now, it's the Wenxiang whiteboard. Click the whiteboard. There are setups and choices for handwriting. Users can choose eraser or one-click clear to clean the screen writing. Screenshot. Support users to take a screenshot of the key content and insert it into the whiteboard for annotation. Screen recording. It will open the Wenxiang micro course system and will record the teacher's writing and voice. Supports undo and restore operations. Magnifiers. It can enlarge the specific content for students to watch in the back row, and the multiple and shape can be adjusted. Focus. It can hide the other contents on the screen and let the teaching focus more distinct. Timer. It can set full screen countdown and then click Agent to access the full mode. Shape. Click the corresponding shape to facilitate the teacher to carry out graphic teaching. Support shape copying, color filling, and so on. Mind map. Can list the key points and is convenient for teachers to teach. Curtain. Increase the interest of the class. The contents can be covered and uncovered to increase the interaction. Split screen. Support to split screen synchronous writing. And writing pen color can be adjusted. It also supports to insert the writing content into the whiteboard teaching. Roaming. Support teachers to extend the whiteboard without any limit. Without creating new page, users can achieve unlimited writing. In addition to general functions, we also support web resources linkage. Click on the web page and select the content to insert into the whiteboard. The web page inserted into the whiteboard software supports, and the humanized design in the lower right corner are convenient for teachers to operate. And after the class, teachers can export the courseware in the form of PDF or pictures through the menu button. Also, it can generate a QR code for share and save. This is the operation and demonstration of Wenxiang whiteboard.